Welcome back. As a part of this video, we will know what is a record count check. In our previous videos, we understood that a record count check is a part of data completeness check. Means essentially by doing the record count, you are ensuring your data is complete. If I ask you a question, when we are working in big data, do you think everything will go as expected? Everything will be hunky dory? Not really. When you are building the big data pipelines, there are chances that some of the data, some of the records may be dropped, some of the records may be duplicated, or some of the records may be improperly loaded across the different nodes in a cluster. So, as a part of the big data testing, record count check is very important. Through that, will ensure the data is complete across the ingestion, storage, and transformation processes. By verifying the record count matches between the source and target systems, we will identify if there are any discrepancies so that data integrity is maintained, which in turn will ensure the downstream applications are consuming the right data at the right time. Some of the important aspects of the record count check are, first and foremost thing is, record count check only checks the count. It doesn't involve checking the values of the data in the tables. Don't mistake the record count check checking the values. Means, let us say we have source has 5 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and target has, let us say 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Record count check will only check source has 5 values, target has 4 values. It doesn't check whether 1 is there or 2 is there. That's what I mean by this. So when you are doing the record count check, it is an initial validation. We are not really looking for in-depth data quality checks. That is the reason a record count check will be done as a first step. As I already indicated, a record count check involves comparing and validating the count of records of the source and target tables. And also, record count check will not really worry about whether the value in a source table is ascending or descending, or whether the value in a target table is in ascending or descending. The primary goal, the focus is on record count. It is only focused on count rather than anything else. So how do we go about doing it on the ground? So you will have a hands-on for this. What you will do is, you will try to write a SQL query, select count star from a source table, and compare that with the select count star from a target table. Either you can use a minus query or a query depending upon which RDBMS system you are using. Wonderful then. We understood what is record count check. Thank you.